That's awesome. That's amazing. This is what you do things like this for. I'll zoom out a bit, look.
So long for me to find. I just need a reminder before you go. That's when our hearts get separated. Crash and burn is all I ever know. I could try to replace this feeling. I close my eyes and it's you that I'm seeing. One more thing before you go. One more thing before you go. One more thing before you go.
Just not long come back from the graveyard, we just carried on travelling through to the North Yorkshire Dales. We've come to see a couple of waterfalls that are in this district. The first one's going to be Janet's Floss. This is the first lead into it. It comes down and we started on top of it. It's quite busy here, to be fair. This is Janet's Floss. Foss. The best just stood over the top of it. Wow. Look how cool that is. Yeah, this is more like it, isn't it? We've been to some of them water swallows that trickle down, that's more like it.
Sometimes it's nice when they just swell though.
Yeah, they are, they're relaxing. Obviously it gets quite busy here. It's a short video, we're going to go see another waterfall after, which is just down the path. So I'll put it all under one video. So we'll go down bottom in a second and have a look on bottom. It is quite busy. But this looks like the kind of place you want to come and swim when you're red hot.
Yeah.
Go down here, there's lots of people here. We'd make a mint swimming hole if it weren't so busy. Dog seems to enjoy it anyway. It's just really busy here, I can't really show much, but it's nice. Got a mega spot just on side of it. And this water looks swimmable, looks deep and swimmable. Might have to come and take a dunk in here one year. But it's nice. So that's one done. We're going to go and do the other one and put them both into one video. I think Beth wants ice cream.
Probably.
We've got our ice lollies. There's an ice lolly van right outside where we're parked. She's happy now. The place we're going now is called the Golden Scar. I don't actually think it's a waterfall. But yeah. I think it's the Golden Scar anyway. Well, the water runs through there. It's like a gap between the mountains, like a little valley-way. So, you can see this. The thing about the North Yorkshire Peaks is there's so many waterfalls and cave systems and nice little spots that you could probably hike out here for hours and find so much new things. We haven't got the capacity. We've been to that cemetery today and that took about 3 hours of our schedule of what we didn't expect. So we'll have a quick visit, but we might come down one day onto a different part and just take a long walk. See what we find. You up for that?
Yeah.
There we go. So we'll come back and let's see what we find on the way down here, shall we? Here you get a good view of what we're in between here. That's really high up. Yeah. Quite amazing to be stood here. This is what we come to at the end of it. Big waterfall over there, surrounded by all the rocks all outside of us. See if I zoom out. There we go. Rocks all outside of us, and over there, Beth's already marching towards it. We'll go and get a close up of it, and we'll show you when we get to the waterfall. Look how good that is. Asmin, this is one of the places you've got to come and see to experience it. Goes down here all into the river, it goes all the way to the other waterfall that you just saw first. Mega. We'll have to have a wander a bit further up it soon when everyone's cleared off a bit. Best got her feet in, nice fresh water, look.
Contaminated now.
Contaminated. This is just one of them places you've got to see it to believe it. Got kids waving away. On a mission to get up here without getting wet feet. There's birds. Oh yeah, there's another one a bit further up. No. Oh, let's get him over. Yay! It's always a nowhere situation. That's going for it. She's going for it.
Stop it!
Might just take my shoes and socks off again and walk up it. Hey up. Hey up. She's done it at all. Oh, I should do that. You got a wet foot. Well, cheers. Have I? Oh dear. Yeah.
You got wet foot?
No, I haven't. It splashed me a bit, but my foot's fine. Wow. We would have known Bill more up there, eh? This is where it starts getting to the now way a bit. That's mint, isn't it? I wonder if there's a path that goes round to it.
You'll climb up.
We should go and have a look if there's a path, shouldn't we? But I want to go up to there to get good angles and good photo videos as well. And then we'll see from there. I want a photo of you. I'm going to get a photo of her. Check it out on Instagram. So that was fun. We're going to see if we can get to the top of it. Photos will be on Instagram. The photos will be a lot better. Just see if we can get to the top first. Oh, Beth's got her feet wet, but I've done really well not to. So, see him do it. Go on. Big step. Big leap. I did it. You see there's a second barrier up there. That's what we want to see if we can get round to. People climbing it, but we struggled just with our feet on our own. Because we ain't got no grip on back of them. And she can't keep on her feet anyway on a standard path. So we've got to look for alternative routes. What's she seeing?
I like it, I just tripped up.
That goes into a little cave in Clarks.
I live there.
So we're going to have a look if we can get round onto the top of it somehow before it gets dark. Oh, as you can see, if you can see the road down the bottom, just there, all that side like that is the same this side. We've just climbed all the way up it. We're knackered. I've got 9% battery, so I might have to use Beth's phone to a little bit more. I'm going to see if I can show you. I fall down with wood. It's so steep you can hear it out of breath. We're not normally doing it for a typical time. But we just looked at it and said, I don't know if you can tell the gratitude of how steep that actually is. But the camera don't do it no justice here. camera don't really do it no justice, but you can see that side, it's the same this side, but with just a bit more grass on it. All the way up. I'm proud of us. I've got to be quick now because my phone's got 5% nearly. I had to go for a sketchy climb down, so best stayed up there. But this is the top end of that waterfall. This is what it looks like. Goes down here and it drops into the waterfall that was sat behind there. That's awesome. That's amazing. This is what you do things like this for. I'll zoom out a bit, look. That's what you do things like this for. Wow. So happy we've done this. Well worth it. You'll never be able to do this place justice with a camera. You just got to come and do it yourself. And climb so far up as well. That's awesome.